and welcome back to my channel, and a big hello and welcome to you if you're new. My name's Tabby, I'm a working mummy to one little boy, and I make videos on hauls, come shopping with me, interiors, cleaning, all sorts of things. So if you like a surprise, never know what you're gonna get, please do stick around and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you here. So Poundland's marketing strategy is working a treat because I didn't need to go in, but all their bright colours were shining like Poundland heaven, and I was just forced in against my will, you understand. I think Poundland are missing a trick with their kind of Easter stuff. Like, it's basically, isn't it, the Easter equivalent of Santa's grotto, only you pay money to go and meet Santa. So why don't they just stick the Easter bunny in there, get people to pay to meet him and make a killing? Stick that in your strategy, Poundland. So the first thing I got from Poundland was just a birthday card. This is a beautiful one with a smiley rainbow on it. It says, "Be your own rainbow, you are magical, happy birthday." You all know I love to have an emergency card in the house for when I have emergency birthdays, i.e. birthdays that just sneak up on me that I forget about till it's the actual day and then mad panic. I always like to have loads in, so I've got rock loads of cards now. I'm prepared for the whole year. However, the other day, I'd got my birthday card sorted, but I'd come to wrap the present and I was like, I've got no paper, no ribbon, and I started like scrounging around the house. You know what it's like, especially on a Sunday when nowhere's open. Scrounging around the house to find anything that would stand in as like make-do wrapping paper. Newspaper, wallpaper samples. We've all done it. So I picked up some wrapping paper from Poundland. These ones are lovely. They're suitable for boys and girls. They've got these happy birthday one, a kind of like polka dotty triangular number, and this feathery one which I thought was pretty cool. So now I won't have to use any more B&Q wallpaper samples to wrap presents. I've got some emergency paper. And along to go with the paper, I got some emergency ribbon, because there ain't no way I'm going up in the loft to start opening Christmas boxes to find kind of birthday appropriate colours of Christmas ribbon like silver and white, because once you're up there you don't come down again. Like, the loft is, it's a dangerous place to go. So I went back into the Easter section needing nothing, and I found this tree. It's a bended to shape tree with eggs sold separately. But it's like white iridescent branches, and it's on like a little weighted nugget, I don't know what to call that, on the bottom. And yeah, you just bend the branches out and decorate it with your little hanging eggs. So to go with that, I got a couple of packets of brightly coloured glittery hanging eggs. This one has been nibbled by the look of it, but all the rest look in pretty good nick. So I thought, yeah, that would just make a nice little table centre for Easter dinner, I thought. And this isn't limited to being an Easter tree. It could be a birthday tree, a Christmas tree, any tree you want it to be. Now, I'm a poet and I don't even know it. Oh, my favourite thing. I'm so pleased with Poundland because I was getting worried about this. I found the gel window stickers. You all know I love my gel window stickers. I've got them for literally every occasion. Christmas, Halloween, Valentine's Day, you name it. But I hadn't got any Easter ones and I was getting a bit worried. I was like, Poundland, are you okay? You've not done any Easter gel window clings. And lo and behold, I went in and all my prayers were answered in the form of these. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 eggs on here, and they're nice thick ones as well. Like, sometimes these window clings are really thin, and after you've stuck them to window, you pull them off and it's like, because they've gone so stretchy. These ones are nice and thick, so these ones will be brilliant to stick on the window and won't make, hopefully, too much of a mess to get off. So I'm super chuffed with those because these are literally my favourite thing. I picked up this. I was super chuffed with this. This is called a solar powered solar buddies, and it's really cute. It's a little bee. What? It's a little bee in a pot, and it says, "You brighten my day." Can't see it very well with the light, but this is like a solar powered doobrey, and you put it on a windowsill and it like dances. Oh, I think I've killed it. I've just bossed it. But luckily, here's one I had earlier. I can fix it, don't worry, it's not going to waste. This one had rude words on the front, and I almost put it in Dolph's room without noticing, because I just thought these would be really cute on his windowsill and he'd absolutely love it. But Sal was like, you can't put that in Dolph's room, it's got like swear words on it, so make sure you check what it says before you buy them. But they are super cute, and they do their little dance in the sun. I mean, look at him go. I love this argan oil ray from Poundland. It's really wonderful. I like the deep conditioning pot thing. These are the hair treatments with Moroccan argan oil extract. There's 3 of them in here. They're like 3 little bottles, and they are an intensive hydrating treatment shot to repair and rescue damaged hair, which I'm suffering a lot from at the moment. As soon as the weather warms up, it's like Frizz City. So I thought I'd give these a go as kind of like intensive shots and see how we get on with those. I thought I'd try this stainless steel cleaner. I don't have a massive stainless steel sink, but I do have like a massive big stainless steel shower head, so that's got like, every time you handle it there's just like fingerprints and stuff on it, and all like the work that goes down the taps and everything are all stainless steel. So I thought I'd give this a go just to see if it'll bring those back up to really nice and shiny again. I've heard lots of people rave about stainless steel cleaners. I am starting to look for more natural alternatives, but I don't mind having 1 or 2 kind of like chemically products around if they work. So yeah, taps that do my head in when they've got like little marks all over them, so I thought I'd give that a go. I decided to get these Haribo sweets because I really love the packaging. It's so Eastery. I don't know about you, but I really don't like Easter packaging that's just got a massive brand name splashed across it. I like Easter packaging to be covered in chicks and fluffy bunnies and all sorts of things like that. So I thought this was really cute packaging. I think these sweeties will be too big for Dolph, so I thought I might give them to Sal. He found his Easter egg. I don't know if I've forgiven him yet, but I thought these would be quite cute for him because he absolutely loves Haribo sweets, so I thought he would probably enjoy these. Let's have a quick sneak peek. So yeah, they're like little gummy bunnies, so really they're just like gummy bears but in bunny shapes. You all know I love Nautical, I love the seaside. I don't live anywhere near the coast, so if I can't see the sea and I can't be by the sea, I can at least smell like the sea. I can't remember whether this is £2, £3 or £5. I think it might have been £3. But this is the Lenore Ocean Escape. I've not heard of this one before, and I'm pretty sure as a sea lover, if this had existed previously, I would have found it. It does smell exactly like people on yachts. Absolutely beautiful smell, so I'm absolutely obsessed with that right now. I'm hoping, still hoping to start a healthy eating plan at some point. So I got these Special K biscuit moments to help like calm down my sweet tooth because I'm struggling, okay? I am struggling. I've probably started a healthy eating plan about 10 times in the last 10 days. So I thought these might help with my chocolate cravings. They look really delicious. They've got kind of chocolate in the middle and a bit of icing on top. All the things I love. So I thought I'd give them a try and see how we get on with those. They are 96 calories per 2 biscuits. So yeah, 2 biscuits for 96 calories, what's not to like? Also along those lines, I picked up some Rice Krispies squares. I generally get these every time I go in. I always intend for them to be for Dolph, but I always end up kind of sharing them with him. They're 119 calories, so if you're following like a calorie counting diet type healthy eating plan, these are really good because they haven't got many more calories in than these, but you get 2 of these, 1 of these. But it depends, are you feeling marshmallowy goodness or chocolate craving? I got these for my husband as a bit of a savoury snack. No, I'm only joking, they're for the dog. These are Rancho's Originals with beef, 95% meat. Oreo has a treat before bedtime, so these will go in my bedside drawer. I generally break them into 2 or 3 and he just has a little snack before bed. to make sure he stays in his own bed like a good boy. So I haven't seen Ranchos. I'm not sure whether, is this different packaging? Like, did Ranchos exist before and this is different packaging, or is this a whole new product? I'm not sure, but they look delicious. I got some loaf tin liners because I love to make cakes, but I don't like scrubbing cake pans, so these will hopefully save me some scrubbing. Oh, these are interesting. These were on the top shelf. These are oh, just found my memory card. Now at least I know where it went. These are new appetite suppressant plant-based slimming capsules, supporting weight loss food supplement, 15 capsules per pack. I don't know, would you trust like these sorts of things from Poundland? I'm not sure. I kind of bought it because I just wanted to kind of Sherlock Holmes the ingredients a little bit and see kind of what's in here, and compare it to other things that are available. Appetite is one thing that I do struggle with when I'm trying to follow more of an eating plan. I just crave food all the time. So I was kind of researching kind of things that could help with reduction of appetite, and then I saw these in Poundland and I was like, really? Really? So yeah, I'll check out the ingredients first because I'm not sure I completely trust them. I got these. These are for Dolph, not for me. He always has a Milky Way magic star before bed and we sing Twinkle Twinkle Chocolate Star to it. And then we have, these are really cool. These are Milky Bar mix-up buttons, which just thought I'd give him a bit of variety in the whole like chocolate button treat department. These have got a chocolate button within a white chocolate button and a white chocolate button within a chocolate button. So just to mix up your chocolate button game a little bit, I thought these looked quite delicious. I got a little shaker of hundreds and thousands just to go in Dolph's Easter basket. You've seen, if you watched that video, I put like some wafer flowers and stuff in his Easter basket, but I thought some hundreds and thousands just to finish off the cake would probably be necessary, because who doesn't love a cake with hundreds of thousands on it? And then, why aren't you dancing? So last but not least, I bought a couple of these little baskets. I actually only wanted one, but I was fighting with these in Poundland. They got a big stack of them and I couldn't separate them. I was pulling and pulling for all I was worth and I could not separate them. So I actually wanted one, but it ended up with two, and I haven't even managed to separate these two yet. They are just so tightly squeezed together. So if I can separate them, my intention is, one is going to go downstairs on the draining board to keep all Dolph's like drinking bits in, because I take them out of the dishwasher, give them a swill, then put them to dry. But it would be useful because some of the bits, don't they roll everywhere. So I thought I could pop them in there and that'd be much more organised. And then the second one that I didn't actually want, I thought I'd actually put on my desk here, because I put batteries and memory cards and bits and bobs all over my desk, and they sometimes roll down the back or down the side, and then I have to pull the whole desk out to get them out. It's just a big old faff. So I thought if I pop them all in here, it keeps them all together, and then I can sort them out at a later date, which will help me stay a little bit more organised. So that's everything I got from Poundland on this occasion. Not a huge haul, but I did get some interesting bits. I'm a bit gutted about this. It really has just died now completely. I'm going to try and glue this all back together, so wish me luck. I did try to refrain in the Easter section because I had got quite a lot from Home Bargains already. I do want to make Easter really special for Dolph this year because I think he will understand it a little bit more, so I do want to kind of do a bit more decorating than I would have otherwise. So I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, I'd really appreciate it if you would consider subscribing. I'm trying to grow my channel a little bit this year, and I'd love for you to stick around if you want to see more of me. I've got lots of exciting videos come up, so yeah, I'd love you to come on this journey with me. Hope you have a great rest of the week, whatever you're doing, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.